it is. Ah, it's not that. Ah, I'll go fast. Fuck it. You coming?
Yeah. Oh my
It's a lot
god,
deeper
this
than
is
the flare.
really deep.
It's a lot deeper than the
Oh
flare.
my good god.
Right, there's crates. Let's fuck these up.
If you find a circuit board, let me know.
Oh, I've got a circuit board.
Put it in my...
Yeah,
He's got like a
definitely.
six shot revolver.
That gun would be so good.
Yeah.
Right. I'm still not loaded. Let me back out and then I'll load in again. You can get started. There we go. Right, so I'm not sure what we should do. Like, where have we spawned? A good place?
Yeah, we spawned on the beach.
Ah, okay.
I've already built a little tarp. We can sleep in that.
You built a what?
I built a little, like, place to go to sleep.
This blunging Kelvin.
Oh, I found some arrows.
Really?
Yeah. I found some C4.
What? No, you have not.
Yeah, I found some C4, a grenade.
Oh, you're taking all of the. Oh, oh shit.
Alright, let's get my emergency bag open.
Right, here we go. Let me get mine open too. Open up. Wait, how do I open it? Here we go.
Let's get the things. That's 1, 2.
Got to hotkey them up.
Of course. Oh,
Right,
and a
one
box over here.
and two.
Got some medicine here. Let's get a seagull.
I have no idea what happened to this game, but it's a lot sharper all of a sudden. It looks really good.
Gotcha. Got some feathers, Leon.
You got feathers. Right, hold on. Where they at? Oh, there's birds all on here. Right, let me see if I can get these. Bush! Yes! Oh, and we can skin them. Don't forget to skin them. There you go. Give me that meat.
I've got loads of feathers now.
Oh, hit that dead body. You'll get more feathers. How does that work? Hitting a dead body gives more feathers. Let's give these guys a smack. There we go.
I've plucked it. How can I get more feathers from something that's got like
Right.
Ah, I'm not going to complain.
My feathers are floating in the air. I can't get them.
Right, so. Oh, fuck it. Let's help him. Let's help him. He can stand guard.
Yeah, I'm sure if you can get resources for us, it'll be decent.
Hooey. Oh no. Yeah, he's definitely deaf. Might have hit his head as well by the looks of things.
Is he alright? Let me come over. Oh, he's got blood coming out of his ears.
Right. Get logs and drop here.
Wait, are you the only one that can control him?
Go on, Kevin.
Go on.
Go then.
He's off. He's off.
I wonder if he actually just, like, does something. Go on. Oh my god. He chops a tree down for us.
Is he actually
Yeah,
chopping him down? Oh.
we're keeping him. He's going to be our little pet. Right. Now we can just
throw
build
him
a
at the
cabin, can't
enemies.
we? A switch mode.
Ah.
We'll go back to the old school mode.
And he's actually gonna... Is he actually gonna get all these logs? Oh, he's
Yeah.
picking them up too.
Shall we build a little cabin?
Let's see why not.
It'll be our little home on the seafront. Go on, Kevin. Oh.
Is he gonna
Let's
build
go.
the house
Let's
too?
go scavenge for some food.
Whilst he's doing this?
Yeah, we'll leave him to do that, and we'll go scavenge for some food.
Alright, let's see what we can find. I gotta get all this stuff off my screen. I've got 1 raw meat. No, 2 raw meat. Okay, right, let's go get some snacks, like proper snacks.
I've got some meat for. I've got a few pieces of raw meat for birds. Got 3 pieces.
See if we can find any materials then.
Yeah, he he's busy doing that. I'm gonna start collecting sticks and stuff so I can build a reinforced fire outside
Yeah.
of our hut.
Oh, what's down here? Oh, something I don't want to be a part of, apparently. There's a fucking... Oh my god.
The thing is like your character in this, you can make him do some daft things. I mean, don't know about you, but I wouldn't go around eating plants in a place I've never been before.
You gotta try everything for the first time. Oh, I almost just died from a mushroom. I'm following the trail. Oh, there's a... What was that? Ah, there's a squirrel. Die!
Where's he gone?
Calvin, he's right next to you.
He's given up. He's gone.
Oh, there's cannibals. There's cannibals. There's cannibals. There's cannibals. There's cannibals. What is... There's one with like a stick or something. Like a hammer. Alright, I'm just killing squirrels right now. There's people right near me though. Hopefully they don't chase. Should I go to their camp? Get some rope. Okay, right. Gotta sneak up.
Yeah, that'd be a good shout.
Oh my god. Ugh! Ugh! There's a guy like tied to a rope. There's a guy tied to a rope and he's got like no mouth or anything. Oh, you've
Oh.
got to come over and see this.
Hang on, I'm just gonna build a fire and stuff first. This guy's being a dumbass. He won't.
Is he
collect-
just chopping and chopping?
No, he won't do anything. Oh.
That is so disgusting. There's balls of meat. There's a chair made out of people's like legs and stuff. They're attacking me. They're attacking me. Oh, I died. He one-tapped me. He one-tapped me. Brooke, we've got to try and kill this guy.
I'm just currently building our cabin with Kevin.
Trust me, this will make building the cabin easier. He's got a chainsaw.
What?
He's got a chainsaw. Oh my god. This is the leader of the camp. He's sitting in the chair made out of like people's bones and stuff. Oh, that's so creepy. Oh god. Are you coming up?
I'm just getting Kevin to help me. He always seems so disappointing when I initially tell him to do something. He's like, really? More logs?
Yeah.
Like, I thought he was being a dumbass then and taking the logs off of the cabin to put on the floor.
This guy doesn't even care that I'm slaughtering his people.
No,
He's
he
just
just,
sat
he'd
in
just
his-
make more of them, wouldn't he?
He's just sat in his chair with his... Oh my god, he's just sat in his chair with his chainsaw. Alright, I'm gonna try and kill him. He killed me again. He killed me again. This is gonna prove tricky. Come on, I'm not scared of you.
You're a bit of an arse, Kevin. He just threw some sticks on me. Oh, not threw a log at me.
Oh my god! I'm kind of stuck in this camp. This guy does not seem to want me alive. Are you sure this is easy mode?
Yeah.
Not easy mode, normal mode.
No, it's not normal. It's not easy. It's normal.
I can't make it out of this camp. Ah, it wasn't a chainsaw. It was like a, you know, a speedboat motor.
All right.
He was whacking me around with a speedboat motor. Oh god, they're screaming. I'm just gonna run away, come to you. think they're throwing rocks at me. I'm not having any of that. Ah. Oh, that's the stamina bar. I didn't actually see it. The little blue bar next to your health is your stamina.
Yeah. It depending on how tired you are, it depends on how quick it regenerates.
Does it always regenerate to the max, or is it like how tired you are, how much it regenerates?
I think it's a mixture of both.
Ah, our house is on the map. Timber! It's Kelvin. Oh no, Kelvin's still helping.
He's good, isn't he? He's a good little leg.
He is pretty good, yeah. He's gonna be absolutely fucked if someone comes up behind him.
Come on,
God, this
Kevin.
game does look good though.
Drop it then, Kevin. Not throw them at me.
Well, now he's gonna go chop down more.
Well, at least we know we're safe. We'll let him rest after this.
Yeah. Safe for now. Those people didn't seem friendly at all. He looks so fucking stupid. Alright. It should be just a couple more trees, I think. Maybe 2. There we go.
There we go, we're good.
Alright, that should be the last one I'm doing. Boom.
Awesome.
Now we have a safe point, thank God. How do we get in? Ah. What the? There's a plank inside a house. Alright, let me cook this meat on the fire. He's still cutting down trees. You should probably stop him. Bro, you gotta stop him from cutting down the trees.
Ah, we'll let him do it.
There's some food on the campfire if you want it.
I've got some pieces of food already.
Ah, I'll pick it up.
I'm gonna... stone fireplace. Oh no, we're just building a bed in here, I think.
Oh my god, there's so many feathers in the sky. Yeah, I think it's only big enough for a bed. Ooh, I accidentally chopped this guy's head off.
Oh, where are you, Kevin? Ah, you've told him to rest.
I haven't.
Oh, he's resting. Slacker.
He's fucking slacking.
When he gets his own little tent outside, he doesn't get to sleep
That's
with
kind
the
of
king.
neat. Clear? Oh, we can make him clear.
Oh well, we're done with our There we go.
Alright, Kelvin's off. I've told him to go get arrows. Where's he going? You better not chop down our house. What? What? Get up! Get up! What?
Lazy boy.
I get a plunge in his head. I just told him to go get arrows and he's just sitting down. What are these purple things on? Wait. It shows a cave, possibly? Look at your GPS. Is that
What?
possibly a cave on the map? Oh, yeah, cave. You want to go in? This one should be nice and easy, since it's right at the start.
Hang on, I just want to get some sticks together to finish this off quick.
Alright.
I'm just building some storage bits at the moment.
Yeah, let me see if I can help you. Alright. I did 4 sticks, I think. Oh, I just got a grenade. I definitely missed that.
Yeah, we can pick up big stones for that. That's handy.
Can he pick up big stones?
That's what I'm thinking. Like, you sent him off on an expedition. Oh no, he's just...
No, he's not doing nothing.
Right, so get stones and fill holder. Oh, you can get him to fill the holders.
Really?
Yeah,
Oh.
he seems well excited about that as well. He just gets to plod around and pick up. Oh no,
What
he's
the
just...
fuck? Look,
Right,
in the house.
what's going on? No, don't be scared. Look, we've got Kevin here. Kevin's a simpleton like you. Come back.
She's got.
Oh no, she's dancing.
What is going on?
Maybe she's happy we didn't kill Kevin this time.
Shall I walk up to her?
Let's put the weapons away.
Huh.
See ya. Oh, she just ran into a tree.
Where's
Maybe her and
Kelvin
Kevin are like
going?
after all.
She
Oh
stopped
no,
running now.
Is Kevin
Where is
going
he?
to say hello?
He's picked up a rock. Oh, Kelvin! I thought she was gonna kill him. She's gone. That's so weird.
Hmm.
That's so weird. Where she's disappeared.
Well, at least we got Kevin doing a good job. Kevin appears to be more useful than we're giving him credit for at the beginning.
Yeah.
Right.
Oh, he's actually just completely filling it up.
Yeah.
That's not bad at all.
These are a right pain in the ass to collect as well.
Thank you,
Oh.
Kelvin.
What's he doing? He's like
Um,
bolting okay, I think he's tired. We're just he did build that house for us pretty much.
Alright, follow me, alright?
Oh, hang on. If you've got that, I think I should probably build myself
Oh,
a spear.
here
as
you go,
well.
here you go, here you go. I can drop you one.
I'll build it. We'll have a couple of spare ones.
Oh. I dropped one and it disappeared. How do I drop?
Gee. Oh no, it just puts
Yeah,
it back
but-
in your bag.
Ah, maybe... Can you pick that up?
Yeah.
Ah, there you go, that's firm. I have, how many do I have? I have 2, okay. You should have 2 then, right?
Yeah, I've got 2. Right, so Kevin can just stand guard for a bit. He's got his own little hut, or his tent.
Yeah, it'll be alright for now. Right. Follow me.
Have we got torches?
I think I have a bit of cloth, possibly. Yeah, I've got cloth and sticks. Okay, I'll make a torch. There we go. Alright, let's go. Alright, you're gonna have to...
Hang
Oh
on.
my god!
There's a skull here.
Oh, a bunch of bats flew out at me. Alright, smack it open. I'll go first. Ow!
Oh.
Don't smack me open! How do I get in?
You got to break that last plank.
Ah. Didn't even see it.
That's what I was trying to hit. But then you gracefully stepped in my way.
I'm gonna have to take a medkit now. Oh god. Oh. Wait, there's a laptop and stuff here.
Yeah, I'm sure a laptop's going to help us.
Maybe there's Wi-Fi. More flares. Oh god, it's gonna be so dark.
A new location discovered. Bunker?
Bunker? Really?
Oh, we've got oxygen tanks as well.
Oh shit.
What's this? Oh, ammo. Newspaper clipping. Hang on.
Ammo,
Let me
skull.
come stand behind me so I can read this.
Oh, I've just picked up myself. Hold on, hold on. Let me get the flashlight out. Ah, how do I drop it? Hold on,
Puff.
there we go.
Puff corporate. I'm not even going to attempt to say that word.
I don't, don't attempt to say any of those words.
Huh. Okay.
Huh. I can hear some stuff.
Yeah, you go first. I can't see.
Where'd my torch go? Hold on. Oh, I don't like this. Hey! Oh, God! Bunch of bats. If you accidentally hit me, I'm going to die. Oh my god. Oh, crap. Alright, you wanna come on through?
Oh, this is...
Huh.
What's all this? Raw meat. We'll keep that. That'd be handy. Hopefully that's not people.
Hopefully it is birds.
I can hear noises.
I think it's mainly bats. Oh, I
This
don't like
ominous
this.
music really doesn't help. Calm me.
Down there, down there. Oh, wait. Low drop. Who has put that party ring in here? Oh, This is one of our military people. Oh god. I can hear something, I can hear something. Get your weapon at the ready.
Watch out, he's coming, he's coming. Oh, there's two of them.
Get him, get his ass.
Oh, I can't see.
I died. They're so strong, I'm dead.
Where'd you go? I could have
I'm
revived
dead.
you.
Did you kill him?
No. I'm back safe in someplace safe though.
I'm coming back. I hope. Alright, where on earth am I? Oh, I can hear him already.
Well, I killed one with my spears. 2 spears and they're game over.
Ah, I think I'm at where the raw meat is. Alright, I'm coming over. You got them all?
No, I've got one of them. 2 spears and they die. We've got a mutant boy there as well. Oh crap.
I see that. Oh crap! Oh, I'm almost dead. I'm dead.
God.
I'm dead. God, this is difficult. I'm coming back, don't die. He's like hitting us with his head.
Come on.
The problem is we need to use the spears, but it's too dark.
Oh, he got me.
Ah, I'm coming
Son
back.
of a gun.
Don't respawn just yet. I can definitely get you. There we go.
Got him.
I think he's dead. Dead. That other guy's still here though, careful. Somewhere. Creepy armor, what's that? Oh, he's on top of the rock. Oh my god. Please don't kill me. Please don't kill me.
I've got a zip line.
Dead. A zip line? Really?
Yeah.
Oh my god, all your spears are in him. Come grab one of your spears. Alright, gonna eat some cooked meat, hopefully get some health back. Oh, I think I can see more of them.
Where's my spears? There we go.
Ah, in there. Just grab that one. There we go. I've got the other one. He's got nothing else on him. Alright.
There's one in here.
I don't think so. Oh, there is. Oh, I saw it, but I thought it was a shadow. There we go. Bosh.
My guy's in a lot of pain.
Almost dead. Take some meds. There we go. Dead.
Right. So we've cleared this part up.
Hopefully. Oh, they're actually pretty bright. You don't need to throw them. Oh, oh, there's bones on the floor. And a fish. Alright.
There's a rope
left
there, so...
So, this is possibly out?
No, that's not a rope. That's drips.
That's not a rope. Let me get my torch out.
I've got one more flare if we need it. I'm gonna hotkey it.
Yeah, I'm gonna hotkey this torch too. There we go. Oh, we definitely picked the worst way.
Hang on, I'm getting hungry. I'm just gonna eat something quick.
I'm really thirsty, but I don't have a drink. Alright, if everything goes to shit, I do have a grenade.
I've got one grenade as well. It looks like we're getting further into the.
Oh, this dead person. Oh, something. I can hear something. I can hear things.
There's one just in front of you. There's two just in front of you. Hang on, get back. I'm throwing a nade.
Love it. Oh, did it get him?
Oh, shit.
No!
Oh shit!
Oh, oh my god, it didn't get him. Right, one dead, one dead. Oh, I'm almost dead. Get him, get him, get him.
Come on. Gotcha.
Gonna. Yeah, dead.
Right.
Okay.
Got one more pot of meds left. I'm gonna have to take them.
I've already took my pots of meds.
Oh, I've got my spear.
Oh my god, they've strung up skeletons.
I blew him to smithereens.
Ah! Ooh! Wait, hold on, there's loot here.
Oh, there's cans of food down here.
Ah,
this stuff?
rope. Hey, come here, there's
Food.
loads of rope.
Oh, yes. Right. Oh my god, there's lots of combinations you need for that.
Canned food, how do we open the food? We need a can opener, god.
Oh look, creepy armor.
Yeah,
just
we
equipped
got
it.
that. We got that from killing the
It's
mutant,
in the
I
right.
think.
It's in the very bottom right hand corner.
Ah. Okay, where? Ah, it put it on my arms.
Yeah.
Ew.
What's
It's fucking
this?
gross.
A tactical jacket.
I think we have that one equipped already.
Air tank use.
Oh, don't use the air tank.
No, I'm not gonna. What was that?
No, I think it's ambience. Is it this way? Yeah. I can hear music again. There's one in front of us.
That sounds like more than one.
I'm gonna turn my brightness up and I'm gonna get ready to chuck a grenade.
Right, there's one.
Just one?
Just two. My guy really needs a drink.
Okay, hold on, I've got this.
Did you put it
Ready?
in my bag?
I don't have a drink, but I've got a grenade.
Hang on.
Geronimo! Gotta move, it's gonna blow up! Oh.
Oh, my poor ears. Oh, we got a mutant boy there. Let's spear him.
Oh, it's so dark though.
Get him, get him, get him.
Hey, my head. Oh shit.
I've got him distracted.
Oh, I'm almost dead. Come on. Yes.
Got him.
Okay,
Got
let's
some more
skin
creepy
this
armor.
guy.
If you skin him whilst I'm doing it, you get it as well.
Yep, just done. There we go, creepy armor. Let's put that on quickly.
Yeah, good idea. put more
There you
creepy
go.
armor
Other
on.
arms covered. I'm gonna try and eat to
What's this?
heal.
Oh, I've got another grenade.
I think that's all my. I think that's all my
My
cooked
guy
meat.
really needs a drink.
Yeah, mine too. Maybe there's water in here somewhere. Where'd you get the grenade?
I found it down here. On this guy.
Yeah, he's got one. Oh, meds. I'm gonna pop those. A stun gun?
I don't like it when you put your torch out, it means I can't stay.
Which way, left or right? We gotta pick.
Left.
Yeah, we're left, then this. Ooh, I don't like this way.
Okay.
Let's break this. There we go. I'll
me
give
just-
this a little... Careful, there's a hole. Yeah, we've got to go down this hole. You want to go down first, or... Chuck it, see how deep it is. Ah, it's not that... I'll go first, fuck it. You coming?
Yeah. Oh my
It's
god.
a lot deeper
this
than
is
the flare.
really deep.
There's a lot deeper than the
Oh
flare.
my good god.
Right, there's crates. Let's fuck these up.
If you find a circuit board, let me know.
Oh, I've got a circuit board.
Put it in my bag.
Alright.
I can make a high explosive round.
Hold on. Oh, here's your bag. Hold on. I'm trying to find it. Here. There you go.
Right. I need coins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need a watch. And I need wire. And one last thing. What's this thing? What's that thing?
What are you missing?
I don't know. It looks like just a... Is it duct tape? Yeah. I've just made an improvised... As if you just pushed them all into a pile and made a bomb. I've got a sticky bomb. You ready?
Oh, shit. Okay. Alright. Save that for like a bad mutant.
Yeah, we're gonna
one.
save that for a big mutie.
Oh, left or right?
Oh,
Left again?
hang on.
Ooh. Let me give a flare a slot.
Oh no way. Throw that down there.
Left is a crouch hole.
And right is down that dark corridor down there. Oh,
Oh, which
Okay.
one?
did you hear that?
There's loot here. There's loot here.
What was that?
I have no idea, but let's get this loot and let's get it quickly.
At
I
least
can't
with all this
carry any
rope,
more
we should be
rope.
able to make... Oh, I can't carry any more rope either.
Yeah, we're max on rope. Is dead end?
Yeah, it's a dead end.
So we've got to go left. I'm pretty sure that means we're going the right way, though. Is it up here and then here? Ah,
There's 2 holes.
2? Oh, shit. This cave is so big.
I really don't know how to get back at this point.
Well,
As soon as I find a puddle, I'm happy, because I'm just going to drink from it.
yeah. This way's dead end. I don't know about you.
There's dead bodies everywhere.
Oh, this is the crouch hole. Something on the
What's
floor?
that? To make a cross, we need 1 log, 2 wire, and 9 bulbs.
Oh, wait, that's helpful. Because they use the crosses to show they're cannibals, right?
Yeah.
Something else to break. Just go.
Oh, there's a cross on that.
Oh, fuck. One above. Oh, okay.
You are tired. You need to build a bed. My guy is like huffing and puffing in my ears.
We're almost at the end. I can definitely tell. Little tiny hole.
Do we have the stuff to build a bed?
I'm not sure if we can build a bed in here. This is definitely the end.
What's this?
Yeah, it's all metal.
What's
Oh,
this?
what is this?
Found like some sort of
Collected-
artifact.
Collected question mark? Oh,
Okay.
is that...
All
So
I
I
know
think
is
we found
we need to leave.
we
'cause
got
my guy's
we have to
knackered.
leave.
Can you hear him?
Yeah, my guy's fucking knackered too.
Why is it?
Just
Like,
let's just walk to the exit, all right? Also, this is a crouch, all right?
because if we get into a fight, I don't think
Yeah,
we came
we've
this
gotta-
way.
I think we didn't come through the crouch, but this is the same area.
Oh, I'm following you.
I'm following my gut. Ah, rope. We didn't come. Wait, we did come down a rope, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, this is the right way then. Oh my god, my guy is going up here so fast. He wants to leave.
Kevin's gonna provide me with some comfort. Gonna give me a cuddle.
Must be freezing. Oh, please don't be anything up there. Okay, right, we're safe for now. The music's playing again. I don't know what's playing the music. You are tired. Ah!
You
Wait,
are
hold
tired, you are hungry, and you are thirsty.
on. Wait, hold on. Let me check something quickly. Can you put your flash on? There you go. And now I think we possibly need sticks for it. I'm not sure. It said use tarp to build a shelter.
Well, I don't have any shut tarps.
Oh, crap. Ah,
Yeah,
we can
let's do
save
it.
and sleep. Okay,
Oh,
let's sleep.
we need to find water first.
Oh, right. Yeah, yeah.
Let's just go find a
Good
puddle to drink from. I feel like we're gonna find an enemy here.
God. As long as we make sure to go the same way we came, there shouldn't be any, unless we missed one of them. I'm on full health, so I can take a couple of hits.
Yeah, I've got two things of armor.
All right, the dead person's here, so I don't know what that music's coming from.
It was coming from a radio for the last time. I think we might be able to find some water in here. Yes.
Is it drinkable? I don't think. Is there a way to drink it? Maybe cave water's gonna fucking kill us.
We didn't go down here, did we?
We didn't go down here, no. Do you want to go down here?
Haha.
Life jackets?
Why am I
Still
not
can't
able to
drink it. I think this cave water is just bad for us. Alright, let's just leave. Honestly, let's go back to where we came, get water, and we'll come back here tomorrow.
Yeah.
Because this is not looking good for us. My stamina bar isn't even working halfway. And I think we're right up at the exit. Please don't be anyone here.
You seen that paddle hanging from the ceiling?
Paddle?
Yeah.
Oh, what the hell?
I'm
Someone brought a
surprised I
boat
can't
in
drink
here.
anything here.
Well, maybe if it was big enough to like dunk our head in it, we'd be able to drink it. Let's just focus on getting out because there's water right outside. Oh my god, I hate these bats.
Jesus Christ.
Did it scare you as well?
That means that we're coming to an exit though.
Yeah, here's our exit. Alright, let's get the fuck out of here. Oh my god, they make more noise. Ah! It's daytime. We were in there for a while. Drink, 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 drink.